Hi everyone, Miss Lamb here. Today we are going to learn how to assemble, which means put together our trombone, as well as take it apart when we are done playing. The first thing you're going to do is take your trombone and put it on the ground. For today's video, I'm going to be putting it on a table just so you can see what I'm doing, but make sure at school and at home that it is starting on the floor. The next thing you're going to look for is this pink sticker that says up. You want to make sure that's facing upwards. I put it on everyone's trombone at the first lesson. So this will guarantee that it's going the correct direction, because some of the latches open upwards and some open downwards, but this is a guarantee that it's going the right way. So then you're going to unlatch the case. And there are three parts of the trombone inside. We have the larger body, which has a bell. It has this part right here that connects to the slide, which should be loose. That's actually correct, so don't panic when it's not assembled. And then we have the slide at the top. This does move, so this is gripping it from here is a lot safer because this could move on you. The other piece is our slide. This has a water key at the bottom. It has a longer side. If you can see, it's slightly longer. This goes into the body of the trombone that I just showed you. This smaller side is where the mouthpiece goes. Another piece of this that not everybody has it, like if you have a very old trombone, this might not be working. But most new trombones have a slide lock. So when it's activated, then notice I'm pulling down on the slide, nothing's happening. So we want to keep it locked while we're assembling it, because then we don't even have to worry about it. But in order to unlock it, you just move this piece and now the slide moves. But we're going to lock it back up because we're assembling. And our last piece and smallest is the mouthpiece. And this is the part that goes and touches your lips when you're playing. Now, to put it together, we are going to take the body, and remember we're gripping it by the bell, and we are going to put that in your dominant hand. So I'm left-handed, so it's going to be here. The other piece is the slide with the slide lock on, and we're just going to set this on the ground, which is out of frame, but I will show you in a bit what I'm doing. So that's going to be set on the ground, so you don't even have to worry about it. This piece, the longer of the two, remember, is what goes into here. So you're going to put this down and then line it up before you tighten it. So we want it to be a 90-degree angle, and it's a little bit tough to see, but do you see how the two, like this piece and that piece, we want to make a 90-degree angle. So once it's at the angle you want, then you're going to twist it and tighten it. Some twist like downwards, some twist upwards to get tighter. So just kind of figure out which direction your brand of trombone goes, and you're gonna tighten it pretty tight, like as tight as you can. It's really annoying when you're playing if this is moving around on you or shrinking or getting wider. So really make sure this is pretty tight. The next thing you're gonna do is take the mouthpiece. I grip it here a lot because this part, remember, is the part that is touching your face. And you're gonna put that in these and twist it like a little half twist. You wanna make sure that you're not like doing this or anything, because again, this is the part that is touching your face and it could get stuck if you do that. So just make sure it's a half twist and then you're good to go. In order to start playing, the last thing that you need to do is, again, if you have a working slide lock, unlock your slide and then you're good to go. Now, when we put it away for playing, we kind of do it backwards to how we put it together. So first thing first, you're gonna put that slide lock on if you have a working one. That way you don't have to worry about it. Then you're gonna set it on the ground, which again is out of frame, but I'll show you what I'm doing in a second. Then you are, once it's sitting on the ground, you are going to twist out the mouthpiece and put that back in the case. Then you are going to hold it by these braces. So all the weight is on my right hand, and you're gonna twist this right here. But again, this is on the ground for you guys still. And then pull the instrument out. So now it's two pieces. The first piece you're gonna put away, because it's the easiest, is that big bell on the body. So that goes in the case like that. And then you're gonna take the slide, make sure it still has that slide lock on, and you're gonna place that in. Some go and set down nicely in the case. Some actually go in vertically, so just make sure that you are doing that correctly. And then you're gonna close the latches. Some slides have a little piece that you move to prevent it from moving in there. So if your case has one of those, just make sure that you activate that so that when you open it, the slide isn't going anywhere. But that is how you put together and take apart your trombone. And I will see you in lessons. Bye.